We have cleaned the dirtiest pond from this, as you can see, to this, as you can see, beautiful, and to this, where we've stocked the fish, and as you can see, they are eating happily. Stay watching as we take you through the journey of cleaning the dirtiest pond. Today is a very important day. This pond has not been in use for several years now. As you can see how dirty this water is, that is rainwater collected with garbage, all kind of dirtiness in here. And we are going to restock this pond. Obviously, we cannot just add water or put water here and bring the fish into such pond. They'll all die. So today we are cleaning it. Look at how look at how dirty the pond is. Look at how thick. Wow. So we are going to clean everything. We'll collect the water out, clean everything, and disinfect the pond. Disinfection, that is to use certain disinfectants to clean it very well, so that if there are possible enzymes or bacteria, all of them will be taken care of. Yes. So work with us as we go through this cleaning process, and then you will see how we clean and disinfect whole pond when it has not been used. It's not going to be a small work, as you can see, but we are going to have everything done. We are going to move these things, this garbage. Look at how thick it is. Just look at all this. Look at all this. Yes. Hmm. So at the end of the day, you see how clean the pond will be. You yourself will like it. Look at all this thickness accumulated under the pond. So we need to ensure we clean everything and disinfect the pond. But there's something surprisingly. We have found frogs inside the pond. There are many. We have taken some out and some we are yet to take them out. And they were living in that thick water. Yes, obviously that's nature. So we'll get everything clean, all this thickness gone, and we'll not stop there. We will disinfect it before we finally refill the pond with water and stock. So stay tuned as we take you through the journey. But there's something I have to remind you. If it were a new constructed pond, obviously we wouldn't have such mud inside to do such cleaning. But we also will have to cure that pond before we can stock fish. If you want to know how to do the cure, follow us for details on that. So we are rinsing it. We are rinsing it now. Yes. So at the end of the day, we make it very clean. So we rinse it. So we are still cleaning. For the up now, there we have now have our disinfectants, which we are using salts and other disinfectants to clean it. Yes. I'm also mopping the floor here. Yes. So this. I hope you have seen how massive it has changed. You know how first it was dirty and thick. Now we are coming to the conclusion stage of the cleaning. And you see how beautiful it looks already. and we are not done yet. If you compare the current now to how it looked earlier, you understand that this work is massive. We have been here hours now. Yes, just getting this clear. The ponds are two. Apart from this one, we have another one which is even bigger. So we clean everything. Yeah. So stay watching till we get to the end results. This socks. This socks. We are now going to again disinfect the pond. So we add enough in the water, and then when it dissolves, then we can now use it and clean or mop that place again. Several ways. He's using the fork, but I'm using the mop stick. So I will squeeze everything out. This is just to disinfect bacteria. After this way, it is left to you. If you want, you can rinse it with clean water again, or just leave it to dry, then you heat in the water. So stay watching as we are giving the final mop, final cleanup and disinfection. Hey, we have been here doing this for hours. Yes, and you can see the results of our hard work. When we came, you saw how dirty, thick, and smelly this pond was. Now you can even lie down here, but how it looked first, you wouldn't even want to step inside here. But now you can lie down, let it even dry, and you see how it will be shiny. Like I said earlier, if it were a newly constructed pond, we won't do this. Rather, we will cure it. And to cure that new pond, we will keep banana or plantain leaves or and stems inside and put enough water and just let it be there for at least 2 hours until it starts to form maggots. You yourself, you see those insect maggots. And now it will be time for the fish to be stuck without the cement killer them. So the purpose of that is just to neutralize the cement. Now see our pond. Look at how nice it is in now. Yes, you can even sleep there. Yes, and which means that it will also be very good and effective for the fish. You have cleaned it. So compare that to how it looked earlier. This is the second pond we are going to clean. This pond is almost twice of the one we finished cleaning already. It's also very big and very dirty. So we have moved to that and we are going to clean that one too. And let's see how it will also look like at the end of it. This is the second pond. Look at this thickness. We are going to clear all this. We have already scooped the water out and we are still even scooping down there. And this is very slippery. Look at the funny thing. Look at my buttocks here. I slipped and fell down. Look, it's you see, it's just fortunate you guys didn't see that. But I just want you to see how we are doing the dirty work. So this one will be stocked with catfish. The other one will stock with tilapia. So we are hoping that probably we'll be able to clean the whole of this sheet. Look at this sheet. We'll clean it probably by the end of the day. And let's say tomorrow we can fill the ponds with water. And within a day or two, then we stock the fish. So keep in touch. We'll keep updating you. on how far we'll be done with this project. It's going to be a massive project, and this is powered by Dr. David in Tamale. Yes, we are at another phase of cleanup. After we scoop up the water, scoop up the thickness or the dirtiness. Now this is another level. Now we are cleaning. We'll do all this to ensure that it's effective before we are able to disinfect it again and put in the fish. So these are very important things that you need to do to clean the pond thoroughly before you can stop fish and they'll be good. Yes, we are making headway. You see, now look at this side. Look at now how very clean it is. Yes, very soon everything will be done that way. Look at the kind of work that we have done. The whole day, the whole day has been cleaning of these ponds, the two of them. The day is almost ended, but we are hoping that we'll finish it before it ends. So right after this, we'll now fertilize it. So it's not easy. I can say it is the dirtiest pond we have cleaned for now. Yes, the dirtiest pond for now. Yes. If you want to see how we have done it, watch out to the entire video. At long last, we are getting to the end of the cleaning. Now we are going to disinfect it. So we are adding our salts in what the water. I'm going to do two. My other colleague will be cleaning the walls of the pond. Then I also cleaning the bottom. Yes. So we dissolve the salt. Yeah, don't take your water. Oh. So dissolve the salt, and the day is also ending. Yes, this one I will squeeze it much so that the effectiveness of the salt to feel it. So that's how we are going to clean the entire pond. So say what? Oh, see how we are sweating. After cleaning the dirtiest pond, we are sweating. But this is the end of it. We have disinfected it and we'll fill in water by tomorrow. And then we will stock the fish. All this dirtiness, this mud, this slabs, all this are from the pond. This is just one side. I'll show you the other side as well. Look at the other side too as well. We have cleaned the dirtiest pond ever. And as you can see, yes, the pond is now very clean. Yes, watch out the entire video how we did it. As far as I'm lying here, fish can also survive here. If someone tells you in the beginning that you should even go inside this pond, you wouldn't believe. I captured it as the dirtiest pond we've ever cleaned. For several years, this pond has not been operational. It is exposed to sunlight, sun, rainwater, leaves, and even this one, the wall fell and the bricks and cement, everything was inside this pond. It took us the whole day to clean the two ponds. Now it is ready to receive the fish. So we fill in the water and we stop them. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and let's learn together. Even we are not stopping here. We'll add you how we start the fish. Thank you. Yes, usually we administer this.
Yes, we just received the fish
Antibiotics
currently at the
because
farm.
of the
So we are going to
size.
stock.
I
So
think you
stay
should pour
watching
all right.
and see
Or we'll
how
do
we
it
start the
twice.
fish.
We can pour
We
half so that we
transported
can
them
put the other one
after we
at the
received
other
them
side.
from Kumasi.
So we are going to give them this
We are
antibiotics
acclimatizing the fish right now.
just to relieve them from the stress of transportation. Yes, so this total optional, but it helps. It releases when you stock a new fish and then you give it to them. It releases them from the stress, and it's always good. So you see how we apply. So now they have been acclimatized for a while. So we will now pour them inside. Yes, we pour them inside. Yes, so that yes, they've been floating there for several minutes now. We now pour them inside individually. Now we are administering the medicine, antibiotics. So you pour some, just pour around the pond because the pond is big. So we are going to prepare another one. We prepare another one and then go to that side. Yes. So some are here. So thank you so much. We are going to feed the fish the first time since we brought them. Um, let's see how they will respond. Abdurrahim, we are started training like that. Right now, the environment is new to them. They are receiving the first feed, so they are not aware of the feed for now. And one of the reasons or one of the ways beginner kill fish are that they just dump the feed and go. Now you wait. Now that they're getting low, now they're eating.